The International Day for Biological Diversity falls on Sunday. A South African professor says South Africa and China have potential to cooperate more in conservation and can learn from each other.
I think it's really good that it's being held in China, and I think China has really improved its conservation profile in recent years. There's been a lot of work done in recent times in China to preserve those iconic species like the panda in quite difficult circumstances, because China is obviously a country with a large population with needs to develop, and it's not easy to marry those with conservation. But I think China's got a lot to show the world in terms of conservation, and so I think it'll be very interesting for people to have that conference there, just from that point of view. Because we have had so much experience with dealing with large animals, I think we've got a lot to offer the world and China in how to deal with protected areas. And I think we can learn a lot from China about how to deal with issues where there has to be development as well as conservation at the same time. We can learn about a lot of aquaculture issues, those sorts of things as well. So there's a lot of potential for cooperation between China and South Africa, and I certainly hope that it happens.